So my wild pet turkey vulture just showed up, which is even more awesome. It being very spiritual. That is badass. Thank you, my beautiful wild pet turkey vulture. I love you. So with him also clearing the energy, it's even better, more powerful. Because, thank you Anubis, thank you to all my guardians and all my ancestors for watching over all my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family. I love you all. This is badass. Happy Halloween, Dee. His name is Dunkin' Donuts, by the way, because he likes donuts. Just kidding. He's a meat eater. And as you see, all the birds are flying too. And you see him flying over the cop shop like he does for all my other bestie brothers at the other cop shops. Thank you to all my guardians. I love you all. Happy Halloween. That is pretty badass. I love my ancestors and my guardians. They just go out of the way all the time to help me and help my all law enforcement friends and family. It's amazing how entities and animals can all work together to help make this world better. A happy place. So it is done. And as you see, all the beautiful birds. This is so awesome. So it is done. Love you all. Have a great, wonderful day. Happy Halloween. Love all my bestie brothers, law enforcement, friends, and family.